In this section, we will cover how to debug if you have two interfaces who implement the same method, because in this case Java compiler will give you compilation error. So let's create a new interface, and the interface name is interface D. And let's copy everything from interface A into the interface D. And also create a new Java class, and this Java class is multiple inheritance debugging example. And this class will now implement interface A and interface D, which we just created, but now it is giving me a compilation error. It is saying that com.modern Java inherit unrelated default for some A and also the same method from interface A and same method for interface D. So now in this case Java compiler is confused which methods to implement in this, which methods to use in this context. So the only possible way where you have this multiple inheritance and there's a conflict of methods is to override those methods inside this class. So in this case we'll be implementing sum of A directly in this class and integer num1 and integer num2, and print out plus sum of 1 plus num of 1 plus num of 2. So now you can see that, or just modify this divide. Now you can see that error is gone. So in this case, when you have conflict, where you have the same method which are being implemented in the other interfaces which you are inheriting, or you have multiple interfaces with the same method, the only way to get around is to define the same method and implement those methods inside the implementation class.